sẽ thế nào cái phần đầu thế nào cái phần đầu tóm
Yes.
chút tele tôi nhà bỏ điều cho percentage increase or decrease na percentage or decrease increase and decrease ही cái बोल हम क्या है ले थिल के दिए जो in total थिल के दिए जो थिल ने नाम लगा दिए जो ना खच्चा fraction आ खच्चा percentage form आ जाए दिए खच्चो हम fractional form आ जाए percentage and fractional आज जो ला percentage आज total चाहिए पे हम 100% से total देने जाना fractional 100% से पे हम तला 1/1 खच्चो खरन लो ला लिंक से ना लो which means 1/1 is 1 तो जो तेले percentage से पे हम 100% जो 1 तो 100% जो total जो 100 ही कहना बस आज दिया ही ले percentage increase or decrease के जो percentage increase से पे ना हम percentage increase में मसाते percentage increase से पे ना हम percentage increase दिया ही ले कैसे बंगा जो थिल जो अलिंग क्या जो total ही cái điều cho percentage out thì nếu như chơi zoom vào ngay thì nó yêu sẽ cho total là cái zoom đi như thế cho percentage form nó ra hi le 100% percentage form ra le thì là thing cái cái ham in yêu sẽ cho 100% fractional form thì le khát cho khát là load đi thì là thing cái load đi le 1 le percentage increase số không cái tiếp là chân cái bằng percentage akale thì chỉ như cái represent thì cho chung hạt bằng percentage increase thì le 100% plus cha chu izat ki increase some percentage zat ki increase some gap x% to the increase also percentage form as a hele ta ji na elo le fractional form as percentage increase ki ta le ti ji din ham ta hele percentage form as fractional form as suppose denominator anu yaw achunga hi numerator increase kita la chu izan akali kita chi pham fraction percent fractional chu no yam hi total ta ke zoom ji abana achungam hi increase hi la chungam ta ke plus de tin cha chu hi le chitabang equation basic na chu percentage increase ipiti na ham chitabang chama ma percentage decrease de chu chu ti la chun percentage increase chu question khat na bolot percentage increase चाहे okay percentage increase ka say banga chu number 1 chana nga hin ta rules banga chu percentage kya hele total a che pi ham athinga chu total elo le original tu ta original a chu ni a ke the chu kha che pi ham ke percentage form a ji nga le 100% chung ti the ya na fraction a ji nga hele denominator और numerator a hi za na kalam plus acho tia hele chu chita banga chu direct question ai bowling ai le ke bowling ham number 1 acho percentage increase acho 25% increase there is a question kan solve le han epiti solve ham 25% increase 25% increase to kasoding na haliti kasoding ham tala number 1 achu 25% increase means till to original till to akal ngai original or mean till akal ding a helate ka banga chu room ilawen chi room ma laute 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 4 room in itawe le heche 4 room chu I think ke 4 room in ucho ala chen 4 room chu I think a chi pe ham total a chi ni ucho 4 in ucho 1 2 3 4 in ucho heche room chu sa bedding ki han lang room ki sa be na izat ka sa bedding ham te room chu ke expand ka bota chu expand room to 25 percentage 25% in expand borote tela kasim bedding he tela chum iti ka balding ham 25% so fraction for my percentage form in lama sauta percentage form my la wa hile ichi hi copy bolutin okay percentage form my balding a ichi form my balding a hile ti balding ham tela increase ki chu chi alhinkia total ki chi pam 100% din ya na room leak nei chu alhinkia ka nei chu 100% din ya 25% increase ki ti tinga hele 100% chunga ka chu 100% plus 25% chun piwa sam 125 percentage 25% increase ki ti le piwa sam 125 percentage din 100% piwa sa hamatia hele original alhinkia na nei sa chu pen ni ka nei le ke dinga chu 100% ni ka nei 25% ka habia hele chu ni so retam su piham 125 percentage 25% ipiham tele increase din acha acha tia hele 25 percentage increase ka tele percentage acha 125% teka manga chu g4 hi ta hele 25% ka increase a hele chun che ka habbe 25% che ka habbe din acha che ka habbia hele chun iti se hi hingkya hi zakhat hi a hele sorry force la do da okay it's abula kanai til original chu zakhat hi a hele to za itam chi original kanai chu abula chu 100% original kana nei 25% increase ka bol bele za tam ta hi 125 percentage chita banga chu question khanung ki dong halang hele 25% number calls and atidas 25% number calls ading alati calls ading ham teka banga ke hin 6,000 salary rupees example rupees 6,000 rupees salary per month kani acha salary kasana hele to acho kum khazawa ka local sauta so kum khazawa after 1 year 25% ka local sabe 25% increase in salary 25% increase in salary hele to hi zat kane tam to hi 25% salary increase ya hele ka lo izat hedi tam to hi 25% salary increase hele ka lo izat de tam teka banga cha ambula cha 100% pasanga kana lo izat ham 100% ba ale 100% chu kana lo za chu to hi kana lo chu kalo hingke masanga kana lo chu 6,000 rupees ta ala to 25% ka kalsa dinga hele 25% 20 equals how do you have 25% of kalua apa nakal de cho na 25% apa nakal ding ada chun 25% of 6,000 rupees is that 25% means divided by 100 into 6,000 ya le 0 ni to 0 ni ka 25 into 60 equation हम 0 को दिए 5 6 30 6 12 30 40 15 1,500 rupees 1,500 बस 25% अल्ल 25% rupees 1,500 account also kalo अल्ल तो जो new 25% salary increase as is at down to kalo 125 percentage to rupees 7,500 rupees 7,500 rupees 25% kalau akal zawaja ajo tia hele next page achun vele han okay to achu 25% increase in salary kata achu hele se mabanga chu ka salary chu to ahi if my salary is rupees 6,000 ka dichu na rupees 6,000 ka dichu zo achu basing 6,000 to 100% here kana san pen cho 25% na kal sa le 6,000 ka lo para cho 25% na kal sa le 1,500 kal ka ma le new salary chu tam new salary chu 125% tin da cho 7,500 al he chan chana ka ji ngai lo to explain de na ka ji ya chan chana ji ngai lo to cho direct 25% increase in salary ya ke tale tin ji tam 25% increase in salary है ले दारेगा 125 percentage of 6,000 पला ले दारेगा आंसर पढ़ देता है तो से पीती हम zero नहीं तो zero नहीं का है ले 125 into 6 का बोला था 125 into 6 का बोला है ले 125 into 60 मोच ना का बोला है ले 0 तो 0 है था 5 6 are 30 3 in hand 6 2 are 12 13 14 15 1 in hand 6 1 is 6 7 that rupees 7,500 zata ke bond na azan ke moche pe ham rupees 7,500 to ai ke mocho rupees 7,500 100 chunga hi thil ke na hi le increase din h to direct na if wording in jota wording in 11 if there is increase in salary if there is increase in percentage we add the increased percentage we add the increased percentage with 100%. Example also example 30% increase. 30% increase of apana le p saham with source 130%. 130% of that हम जैसे कि तेरा जैसे गिरिंग साउंड हम तेरा साउंड हम गिरिंग etc. ले 50% increase ditanya 50% increase ile da 150% tienes le 75% is increase at ile bidham 175 percentage to as here percentage analyze percentage format as well fraction format fraction ayang zil very important and in yeah. The 25% increase kita hela. Ala kita banga chu kita bangin question khat solve lewan. Percentage increase decrease na thita bam. Kevin say tu na thila.
Thế.
Okay, na thila. So the question khat solve what. Let's solve one question. GCC may I get you up and solve what. GCC total open. Okay. Question number 1 Achun. If if Ram's salary is increased by 30%. Ram's salary to 30% like increase if Ram's salary is increased by 30%, what is his new salary? What is his new salary if he earns rupees 7,500 per month? Question and PCM cho. Question and say to Ram salary he 30% I can increase he le. Is that heading pahin Sakana sum sang sigil zanga analo hi at yaheleti body ham. Once a pena to a law to a law to total jam original law to basic insult original law to Piham original law to 100% in a 100% other law to that rupees 7,500. Is that column 30% counts? 30% is kalsabi chi zakhat chunga he original chunga cha. The 30% to is that the ham tela 30% of a lot is that 7,500. Zero ni ka 0 ding 3 5 15 3 7 21 22 2,250 na 2,250 che kalbe cha lo 30% kalala to new salary to that the new salary to that the tam to go my ra te ni 0 ki go 5 to 0 ki go 5 5 to 2 ki go 7 7 8 9 9,750 rupees so sanda to hai question and say to ham te hele mahen alohi 30% increase ki bole 30% hin increase ki bole chala hai na ala 30% increase ki bolin masanga mahin is that Allah na sam jiam 7,500 per month asan za chu 7,500 per month alo za Sil iza kai chu ani za mo alo za mo chu original 100% ai ke zoom cho chapana cha kalham ilo le amana le cha kilai 100% hele 30% chu hi cha lo apana no ho ai le za so tam 2,250 rupees le na hele new salary chu pe ham 9,750 rupees ala chita banga chu suppose chita banga chu chima ma chu solve ki le han chaya hin kita he exam aya ta ki solve lo rich exam ma chu hita he chum chum ana ga bol exam ma solving pat le tin bol din ham tela alo za ta kal ham 30% akala hele alo original apana chu 30% accounts 30% akala hila chu za tam chi hi new salary ta chu new salary chi za ram 130% of person yang khu percentage ita lawan ya divided by sorry ya divided by board ta chu 100 plus 30% for 130% of alo isa ram masanga na san chu 7,500 ahi le 0 ni to 0 ni ka kata 130 to 75 for multiply ka bola hila za so dham 500 5 3 is 15 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6 700 3 7 are 21 7 is 7 8 9 0 5 7 9 rupees 900 750 9750 cards hele chuta banga chu alui pa chu check tala ke bangam 9750 9750 ke bang thau thau na ya chu thil increase ke ta la zakhat chunga bowling hi ti chu abana hi 50% increase ka be bol ke lo han chu aban le fractionize do 50% hi it's easy do ta ba hele next chu copy equation ma man solve out the paste e bola hele ta chu 30% ही लेविन 50% होते ले 50% इंगा increase होता है अलो चु मसंगा 30% या तो 50% इंका साता था 50% आई का सादिन वाले अलो चु ये लो देता so so earning चु 100% plus चीज at the time 50 percentage ले अनो या ही पीजी देता अलो जाते देता तो आही त्या ही ले 150% of Zanolo Hamasazo 7500 plus 7500 no lo hila to hi alo za de tam 50% ke khare ka sawa hila 150% of 7500 to 0 ni to 0 ni ki kata 150 to 75 bo to multiply ale alo za so is 500 55 25 2 in hand 5 is 5 6 7 750 700 5 7 35 3 in hand 7 7 8 9 10 0 5 7 plus 5 12 1 plus 0 1 1 the thought is at the time of loss up to rupees 11,250 asan ta chana 50% increase ya la le is the bang also 70% increase elola 70% decrease ya la also on that's le fraction hi ichu mawin okay fraction also pe ta da fraction to percentage method na chu heta ya tun fraction method ga he go ta fraction method na he dewa he la chun okay 30% to 50% okay also mama che borote 30% to 50% mama borote ye thina de win achu tile percentage method na chu iche ta chana ta chu percentage method na chai ta fraction method na bor ta chu hala fraction method na chu 30% ram salary is increased by 30% atyal percentage method na chu 130% of 7,500 thì là answer số cho nó percentage method na cái method này cái giải tao là fraction method là số first class on level là percentage of fraction ai đi cái làm percentage of fraction ai cái là 30% thì cái làm thì là 30% thì cái là 0 cái 3/10 thì này chứ na là 3/10 chỗ percentage method là chỉ khối là là chỉ là 80 số đó ama sa pen ai zana kalham 30% increase ho chung nanga ko sa re ke ma he thina denga na 30% to fractionize at move 3/10 3/10 increase ile denominator sampai ya chipen hi denominator ya chipen hi numerator ya increase ya le I lo du ham chiten hi ke edits numerator plus denominator hi le pe ham results final result or new salary di dam na alahin denominator cho fraction ase ba mo cho denominator ni pi represent am tele o hilo le original hilo le total represent na ala numerator khoni izat pi represent am tele increase percentage increase represent ya ala new salary chi pi tam new salary chi pi de tam new salary chi ya le total old cho no ya denominator chi chilang ai ki pi pa hi sorry okay it's a new salary to result in people something like new salary to t old to become fraction out of 10 here and plus numerator t increase up to 3 answer to become 13 unit in represent am unit method and get 13 hin new salary represent so 10 hin chala ya 10 hin masanga analog at so 3 hi increase at 30% hela 3/10 ya so acho tia hela chun iti volume ham tia hela next chun blank la to chu aloza chu twa hi salary rupees 7,500 ahila 30% increase at is 30% increase at ahila chun fraction at it is idam fraction at 3/10 it is 30% I roll at the I could be 30% is at ham 0 kadim 3/10 increase at the numerator to at denominator decrease at like minus the annoy lang hin p represent am till old salary it's old original ala chi achunga pa hin piham increase or decrease dia ta increase la you watch increase it's ala new salary chi piham tla 10 plus 3 which 10 achunga go male ja som 10 plus 3 13 chi piham new salary ala original salary cho 10 so original salary chi zan ham 10 unit chun is represent am tla original 10 unit chun rupees 7,500 represent 1 unit chun is represent am tia hela chun 7,500 divided by 10 into 1 sipahi noi lang ka chi so de ta noi lang ka chi so nen 1 unit chun represent a hele new salary is at ham changa is 13 new salary ya 13 cho ya le ti bol ta 7500 into 13 divided by 10. Atu tia hi le chin new salary tas 0 to 0 ka ding 750 into 13 ko izat ham multiply tan so re cho 750 into 13 ka bola hi le 300 35 15 1 in hand 3721 plus 1 22 abana 750 0 5 7 8 9 rupees izat ham chi chilangai unit value ya chilangai rupees sum value ta che le fraction form ma represent hen de me abana chi 9750 rupees 30% increase or result column fraction method na chu 9750 kale tina chu ada luya chu 30% na chu zat column 9750 ki bang tho tho to chu fraction method hin na zania fraction method ho hiện nay đấy cho tỷ lệ thì chúng ta bằng margin fraction method mà increase bracket होता है 50% increase हिले बिदाम 50% increase या हिले तो जो salary original जो इज़ात तो है आसाम चे पे हम original salary जो rupees 7500 लेकिन increase ये पाना चाहिए value हम percentage method ना पुना है लेकिन 150% of 7500 दिला Beijing fraction method na coding adeti coding हम 50% to 80 represent do हम तेला 50% fraction method 0 0 के का 5 1 is 5 5 2 is 10 50% to fraction method na 1 by 2 tinach al increase tia to original chीज़ ना कल हम 50% to ep I represent हम 1 जो तेले original ला चु aluya to original tu ahi salary to original no ya denominator hi original like this na denominator represents original total or whole salary or something mu se na achunga plus mena sakati phala tha da chu ale original khun tu khun ja represent 7500 rupees represent na hele one unit p represent the term 1 unit chun 7500 into 1 divided by 2 ngere ta ale new salary chu pi term new salary chu old plus is that increase on one increase which is that term new chu 3 chite ne ko ga mala chite ne 2 plus 1 ko ga ma hi la chum 3 ong so chuna to new salary ta 3 chu here le ti ka body ham 7500 into 1 by 2 into 3 see unit method ka be sei lang tulang ahem right now till to take up banga 5 to 5 unit to rupees 500 represent ahila 5000 represent ahila 1 unit to 1 unit hold holding 1 unit apara unit jo si hold holding 1 unit hold holding ahila 3 rupees is unit 5000 into 1 evang abula to pinom sa 5 ya to no ya 5 patit le answer che piham 5 1 is 5 5 1 is 5 and 1000 into 1 is 1000 1000 bucks cho tỷ lệ 1000 hai lệ thì các bạn à tu có hồi đó như hai lệ cái chỉ bên tu to cái mà để bài lại cái trái gì one unit bài 1000 into 2 cái tỷ lệ cái trái 2000 thì bài 7 tiếng là 1000 into 1 unit cái mà để bài là 7000 rupees cái bây giờ nằm từ là 7 into 1 chu 7 hi yang là chúng ta bảo chỉ cho 1 unit cái hồi đó thế thế giờ cho là 2 unit chu dặn hâm so there are 2 units to Zatham, 7500. 1 unit to Zatham, 7500 divided by 2. To Zatham. Puna hele 2 3 6 2 5 10 0 0. 1 unit to assume value to is at about saham 3,500. And a 3 unit to is represent the ham metakazilo and 3,500 aparakala yang page. 3,500 into 1 unit to ham 3. Balance also 303035 15 2309 plus 1 10 1050 rupees 1050 rupees sinam as a percentage method approach 10500 50% increase. 1 second. Salary 30% increase. 50% increase 7,500. 50% increase also 10,500 in Mola. 50% increase in 50% increase also 10,500 right tomorrow.
1 unit to 3750.
1 second. 35 kilo. Okay. After the Tahoe of the J1 unit in the Nandiga 7,000 back period. Okay. Happening at quarter the low mom. 2 3 is 6, 1 in hand, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10 0, 3 7 5 0 na. 3 7 5 0, 1 unit 3 7 5 0 at 3 units a period down. 3 7 5 0 into 3. 3 0 0, 3 5 5 15, 1 in hand, 3 7 21 plus 1, 22, 2 in hand, 3 3 0 9, 10 11, 1 1 2 5 0 rupees. 2 5 0 I did down. 1 1 2 5 0. To the fraction method na ke khol. Le fraction method le percentage method ani nia heading zan ding hoi che pe nai ke zanga hoi che pe nai ke zang bayam ti cho example na ma he jong zia na ke po ai la suppose ta cho 33.33 percentage increase in salary increase salary boss avatin rupees to 9,000 is aliohan 9,000 to 33.33% are increase in bola heleza so din ham which depends on kizong la abaidam azadan ni be hil ta chuna khat fractional kacha percentage are increase in body wa hela chun 100% plus 100% so all din so total alui pa so 33.33% ya hela chun 133.33% kita chuna of is at hum rupees 9,000 new salary this one new salary well 133.33% so fractional aheletiki hum 133.33 divided by 100 into 9,000 ele 0 nito 0 ni cancel ta ele 90 into 133 point sorry 133.33 into 90 kapola hele decimal za 1 niyam chana G0 heading 39 27 2 in hand 39 27 20 29 2 in hand 39 27 29 2 in hand 39 29 2 in hand 9, 1 is 9, 10, 11. Answer to decimal 1 nium. Atu tila answer to zat ham 1,999.70 rupees. 9,000 to 33.33% na kalai le zat so tam hi zat ni kal touch. Ale fraction method na ko ding a hi le ti ki ko ham calculation bu job tuna percentage as a fraction method na chai pe ham 33.33% increase ate cha. Okay. Okay. 33.33% so fractional formula bola hi le p sum is equal to 1 by 3. And answer chun 1 by 3 here hi le chun all increase 33.33% increase ke tala new salary che pi tam 3 plus 1 che pam 4 new salary chu 4 unit ta ele all pi denominator pi all salary original pi so 3 unit in rupees are represent rupees 9,000 ajo tele 4 unit in result represent ham 4 unit in result represent ham het normal le 1 unit ko holding 1 to 4 ka multiply 1 unit ko hold ile zat tam ji 3 zat tam sa 900 ham tada 9,000 divided by 3 339,000 ajo tele new salary ji zat tam 4 ajun okay new salary ji zat tam tele 3 khat ni thum into 4 zam ji 40404043 33.33% is 1 by 3 approximate rate also na approximate here level that's 11,9.9.9.70 he tikala thiam approximately 12,000 kala thi na etia nam di nam he thevam
Yeah.
okay acho tile 33.33% he chita bang chan hin khat law te ipila du ham 25% is ka vela ten chizo palle percentage decrease la ta na copy paste chama ma paste tin okay chama ma paste tin 33.33% increase 25% increase bot out la ya cho decimal ma hele fraction method is ala ki gang zo na ele te ka banga 25% increase titala 25% increase bolde wa sum chu 9,000 here hele iti ko diu ham there are two ways it's a percentage ana percentage of 25% increase bolde wale ti bolde ham 100% plus increase kitila 100 chunga te te cho 25% so sen piva sum 125% of percentage who divided in quite tanga 125% of rupees 9,000 zero ni kale multiply bola le jan ham 0.95 45 4 in hand 2 9 18 plus 4 22 2 in hand is 9 10 11 rupees rupees 11,250 so 9,000 to 25% increase le 11250 let's say nga hi fraction method also 25% increase ke 25% ko ham by 4 the denominator hi old reduce na old original teach cha to increase tira chunga hi plus din so na 1 4 plus 1 who 5 new salary chu 5 unit tinach new salary chu 5 unit hold in til chamo hen ala chun 4 unit chu all chu pham lo ji za na rupees 9,000 chu tile 1 unit chu pi le tam unit dang he na dinga 1 unit hold te te ngai na rupees 9,000 1 unit hold all unit you see chu idi to chun multiply this 7 to 7 to multiply this 4 chu tile 5 unit 5 unit ko hold ding ai le 5 new salary ya new salary chu ns thing 4 is at energy 4 4 to the 8 aba na chu 10 ding 4 to the 8 4 5 for 20 0 2250 chana 1 unit chu la 5 unit chu pi tam 2250 into 5 so multiply bola la 5 0 0 5 5 4 25 2 in hand 5 to the 10 plus 2 12 1 in hand 5 to the 10 plus 1 11250 bounce na bounce fractional method hi to dia hi ha diu ta banga nam modi ya it's very handy time and work time and distance meal such on command percentage value to simple fraction 25% 25% 20% 70% 75% gitu ai si zano maintain banga cho 43 1 by 3 percentage 16 2 by 3 percentage increase kita long fraction ai lola 14 2 by 7 percentage kita palaจะสร้างให้ fractional method ของเห็นลบลักษณะสร้างให้ these are useful these are more helpful in fractional method more helpful here kita bang simple fraction ho here le direct percentage la lew na chu percentage increase that's the next topic hi percentage decrease ept value hum percentage decrease it's also percentage increase या percentage decrease इतनी value हम क्या है ले number 1 आचु percentage form fraction form azab आज fraction percentage आचु 100% minus decrease percentage जखला हमने ताचा ना decrease percentage हमारा fraction आचु denominator minus numerator azab तबाच है आचुन हिचिन पीसी दम suppose 20% decrease atyale decrease itin down symbol bowling decrease tile noi rang bowling increase tile achung na bol 20% decrease tile ka bol ham tile 100% total apa chun original apa na chun 20% akem su ta chu chu ept ham tile 80% bo hita itinas ala fraction chu fraction ka chi masangen 25 percentage decrease at the body hum also 100% minus 25% that is 75 percentage. A fraction formula also 20% 1 by 5. It's the old original denominator here old or ori so. 20% means khatina changala khat chai here so if is 1 by 5 so am 20% so 20% to pida 1 by 5 ham tira 0 0 ke ka 2 1 2 2 5 10 chapa na 1 by 5 also so fraction method lecture 1 ayang bora ki hota ya revision chilo chun 5 minus 1 mai tira da cha decrease acha increase acho denominator to numerator ki plus ya decrease ay pala chun and denominator apa na numerator ila do ale result answer che piham result che piham 5 minus 1 cho 4 unit 4 unit cho answer whole and pin so ale 25% decrease tia le ti body ham 25% decrease tia hele 25% of fraction hold ala cho ni pi sa ham 1 by 4 atinach decrease tia chi minus ka bode 4 minus 1 से आंसर पे हम 3 आंसर जो 3 यूनिट आ कि मुझे जो आंसर बिना था ना तो जो परसेंटेज डिक्रीज हमारा जो परसेंटेज इंक्रीज या परसेंटेज डिक्रीज तो के हो चुन लेक्चर की चाहिए फाले वीडियो क्या अपडेट दिया चला या नोट सो ही डिस्क्रिप्शन आके कोई दी हिंदन बोला पना फतिया ना नवद दियो तो चलो लेट्स ही आके खत के चाहिए था very important हिची बेसिक मोमो फाउंडेशन मोमो percentage की hello profit and loss time and work time and distance arithmetic pun pia che ki jang me la te ka bang question solve ta ta la percentage increase percentage decrease na kha be ne khata percentage decrease so hong gai wa ding tha sai le han percentage decrease ki ti pha le na za khalla apana ke su ding tin as tui chu te ka bang chela ya tui chu thank you chu tui adima hele 100% full le ga di 100% of full chu chaya panin tui hung podo tai olola podo hele kichan hi te ka ba kichan bo hi on tai tula kicha hen 20% ke su tai ong tai kitile hen to chu tui za on tam to hi 80% bom ta chna to he le chu 80 representable di ham te le thil chu total la chu pi ham percentage a chu 100% total ilo la original la thing ke abulan om za chu ori 100% I can represent fraction to denominator to fraction denominator hi ori tina so ori or total 20% decrease ki tile 100% la pana 20% na ra do ding chizat ham 80% so da yaki mo pa la 25% la do ding tile 100% minus 25% chizat ham ta hi 75 percentage so tile fraction to 20% so it is do ham which answer does fraction also 20% he is do ham ta hele 20% is equal to 1 by 5 chi denominator noi langam he denominator kitia chi numerator kitia ele decrease kiti phala chun numerator hi ila do increase kiti like plus ji hin ele 5 minus 1 so answer je pe ham 4 je pe ham answer ta so 4 unit value hold ale so 20% decrease or 80% then so 25% ही decrease tia le pe ham 1 by 4 chi 1 by 4 1 by 5 ho hi lecture ko na ke tan iti hong kon do ham ta 25% chu smallest fraction abong 5 5 by 25 5 to the 10 0 5 minus 5 5 4 the 20 and so 1 by 4 so ako na hong kon hi ale decrease ke tia chu chi original no ya hi original hi in abula chu ale athun pa na 25% na thong chu 1% 1 na thunge ti na chu unit value cha and answer is on tam 4 minus 1 is at original la thung do za la do le za tam 3 it is jo hi answer so ale to hi question khat chata bang khat sei le han and het the way try le han copy this question khat so hota paste okay to chu percentage increase decrease na ko ko yoten question khat zi le han ram ram incentives tin na incentives incentive to company na tong nga do hen incentives ki muzi bonus. Incentives or bonus is decrease incentives to salary yang ti the incentive ke la hi salary yang ti the is decreased by 20%. What is his new salary? What is his new salary if he earns rupees 50,000 per month? Question ni PCM. It's he percentage percentage decrease to percentage for mayong khothi fraction for mayong khothi fraction for mayong khothi percentage khotan fraction khotan is lo taya chuta bang equation a input ta ania ra equation na se che pyam tele masanga chu chepa hen rupees 50,000 loan nei chuna ala chun a performance hoilo le leave a kila azem khana chu a salary chu ki reduce ta chu is that reduce piwam tela 20% to here lo is that the tam tia hele kasi banga percentage also imaza total chija nam abul iza kai 100% hi fraction also denominator pa hi kitia acho tia hele 20% a decrease ai salary chi piam new salary chi pi tam new salary chi pi tam original salary chi piam 100% minus lo ki ka 20% ki ka hele 80%. Ajo tele to new salary ji pitam 80%. 80% here le 80% of 80 by 100 of rupees anham 50,000. 50,000. So je ka hele 0 ni to 0 ni ki ka ta 80 into 50,000 na 0 koiding 500 5 is a 40. 5,000 sorry. Say 50,000. Say 5,000 because you have 50,000 50,000 ile 0 ni ka ta 0 mo multiple hoy multiply bol de paleti bol dham tele 0 za za chu nunga ji into 0 khat 0 ni 0 thum ta hala 0 lo pa na dang se multiply the 5 with za 40 to the answer rupees to here lo za ta masanga 50,000 ya 20% ki decrease le 40,000 ta isa chu percentage form ya le he ta banga chu fraction form my bol de paleti bol du ham fractional form my bol de paleti bol du ham ta le 20% salary decrease at this 20% salary की decrease हुई थी जो हम ठीक है सुलिन जमतन ओके तो fractional method आई थी को जो हम तेरा 20% decrease से पिछले हम 20% जो fractional जो 1 by 5 ला जो ला दो दिन जो आंसर जो 4 पाँच ऐसे नहीं न्यू salary जो 4 दिन है नहीं ले 5 unit ही original ओ denominator आम भी original है कितना ना total है तीन या masanga chu 5 anasan chu 5 chu rupees asum value chu zat ham 50,000 values ale 1 unit hold de te ngai 1 unit chu piti na ham tala rupees 5 50,000 divided by 5 ni zat tam chi 5 1 is 5 only 10,000 tazi te 5 chu 5 unit chu original part denominator rupees zat sum 50,000 rupees से some value से unit value में make representation ना election 1 unit से भी हम चाहे ले 50,000 divided by 5 5 is 5 khat ni thum li rupees ajo tia hi le new salary chi pitam tila 5 minus 4 1 ko pam 4 chuna new salary ko pitam 4 ada 4 chi heading ale 4 to 1 ka multiply ale 1 unit to 4 times ka bola le so yang chuna na ya cho 1 unit ko rupees anam 10 khat ni thum into 4 answer chi pam rupees 40 khat ni thum is 40,000 fraction method percentage method Nhất thì nào vâng, nhất thì nào, bạn trả lời tám, cho tới lệ percentage method là chú. Last question khát bỏ bé tiếng là bạn question past question khát solve bớt na. Cái question mà mà solve copy. This question mà mà solve bớt tên. Question này khát modify bớt. Percentage increase decrease thì vậy tao chấm na. Tu chấm 20% Halloween. 33 1 by 3%. 33 1 by 3%. 33 1 by 3% are decrease के बोल रहे हैं salary yang क्या होते हैं उखर 50,000 ही साथ protein तो 60,000 ही साथ 60,000 per month ही साथ percentage form आची boarding आहे लेती की बोल हम क्या ही ले 100% minus 33.33 percentage 0.33 percentage तो जो ये हम 100 minus 33.33 percentage 0.00 Abana 10 la 3 la 7 abana 6 abana 6 abana 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 76.67 percentage tinas percentage su izat alo ta chama sang zakhat ya pa 76.67 33 ki ya cha into 6 33.33% the approximate value ya ki bang chat lo de fraction ato decimal ne kha kha bo ki khidia ajo ti le 0 ni to 0 ni ki kata answer chu 76.67 into 600 chana nga hin 76.67 into 600 0 ni to decimal la ro thi na chota ba na mala 0 ni na mala decimal zawan ni la do la chan decimal ki chai ra ta abana 7667 by 6 zan ham 6 7 6 7 42 6 is 36 36 plus 4 for 40 6 36 plus 6 for 40 410 42 plus 4 for 46 answer to peham is 46002 numbers see percentage method akho percentage method the approximate value to peham approximate value to 4600 tina na cheni cho omlo ta ba decimal percentage approximate value ato ta chikela thi le fraction method na khoira denga le iti volume ham cho he wata complex question mixed fraction or here percentage fractional method na bola da ba average 33 1 by 3% ko fraction method na 1 by 3 tina so na le o the denominator cho original hai to original la cha na sanon mahen 60,000 11 unit chinja santam 60 ni home divided by 3 janam chi 3 to the 6 20,000 na ala to achu izat santam decrease kiti chana decrease kiti achu izat santam to hi izat sanam tile 3 minus 2 3 la denominator la numerator kala do re percentage decrease kiti ala denominator so I say 100% minus decrease pa chu ya chi denominator kana hi bola hele selanga hi bola hele fraction hi decrease chu pham denominator minus numerator ala 3 minus 1 ko janam 2 chu value new salary da cha new salary ala 1 unit to 2000 la 2 unit chu janam 1 unit to 2 unit chu janam 2000 into 2 20,000 into 2 40,000 selanga hi bol kilo khanom me selanga hi bol kilo khanom me hoi la di lo ham
100 minus
ha
100 minus 33.332 66.67.
66.67 zo na 1 second 76 lo 66 nam ga bio tele 10 minus 3 ku 7 here to 9 minus 3 ku 6 here 9 minus 3 ku 6 here to 9 minus 3 ku 6 okay ti te na kana la na lai 66.67 hela chi 7 hela din chi 6 ide kabana ahia hela chu 6 yang hi 6 I multiply that sorry chi di boy yo khat ka su di uti 66.67% of rupees is anam nasan 60,000 wala chi December of mala cho ta banga bola calculation error log ke bote mistake new yang ke bote ya cho it is na de it is na de fraction method he tin point by ka tin na sana 66.67 into 100 ko 0 ni to 0 ni ki ka jai ta le pi mo am ta hi 66.67 into 600 0 to no multiply ai decimal zo ni mala 0 ni na ka le decimal ki po thei ta na po na hi le 6667 into 6 shortcut ho teka bunga 2.4 into 10 ka multiply ale za no 240 24 sana which means 0 kana mala decimal ka kala do tin so chita bang chu ai la wala multiply na nu nga pa na decimal ko le so this ni zo in answer no mo zo in ni zo in decimal ko le so tho 6 36 6 7 is 42 4 in hand 6 is 36 plus 4 equal 40 6 is 36 plus 4 40 6 is 36 plus 4 40 40 answer ko ja som 40,000 40,000 and 6 is 42 40,002 also point negative approximate value ya approximate value che pe hum 40,000 40,000 और 40,000 की बात है ना percentage increase or decrease net awan bon wa hello nalayam okay ato tia hele to in last question ka solve bote percentage increase le percentage decrease to nya dinga hi to nya hi jo topic में चल रहा ya population increase population decrease pa yung chai ki muthi ato tile a number is last question solve total last question solve total percentage increase decrease I mean final Question number 1. A population is a population is increased by 20% from last year when it was 5 lakh 5 lakh tilde 10 100,000 10,000 lakh. What is the present population? What is the present population? Present population last question. Che boroten avana increase to avana cheta bangsan in decrease borot increase the tunia tapigilan tenyo space it's hin decrease borot okay increase the decrease symbol one chahe epiti no mo thai ju ham sarasodam chem sarizat no mo method niya ka solve thai chu na percentage method to fraction method ang solve thai ala method 1 achu percentage method ne kholang increase by 20% kitile bidam jakhat chunga 20% kala dila 120% direct in volume ta jakhat la 20% kala le take up 100% to original है so plus 20% kala le ja so 120% che ve raji ngai talo answer ana bo palle exam ana bo palle directly akala hele jakhat chung ji la 120% of population za 5 lakh unit 10 100,000 10,000 lakh zero ni to zero ni ki ka chai ta zero za mam khat ni thum li zero li mo le zero li chu ji na khat ni thum li jin lang abana mo chang chang multiply ta 5 to the 10 sorry 2 ka ze 5 to the 10 1 and half 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6 the present population chu za ham 6 lakh 6 lakh ta na 20% increase ale 10 100,000 10,000 lakh to answer here elo fraction ka jalete ka ji dham 20% cho fraction I color cho min jauta method 2 20% cho lecture 1 I ki ta cho 1 by 5 tina chuna lecture 1 level to increase ele pe ma chunga to ding original abula cha ham 5 min denominator here operation za ham 5 lakh unit 10,000 10,000 lakh 5 unit 1 unit cha dhan tele 5 lakh divided by 5 which is pi le g1 lakh to g1 unit 10 100,000 10,000 lakh totally increase ya to 5 plus 1 whole new gpm 6,000 6 here le 1 lakh to 6 multiply the 10 100,000 10,000 lakh into 6 multiply le 6 lakh so total no more 6 lakh increase actually both side 1,000 to decrease possible decrease by body wale ti body हम percentage method to fraction method mama boy ke rotala percentage method also decrease ke tala 100% la pana kala do ke dachna is that decrease 100% la 20 kala do hi is that so 20% kala do la tai 80% bore maintenance 80% bore maintenance 80% of that have 5 lakh unit 10 100,000 10,000 lakh zero ni to zero ni ka ale to zero is amam so kana cho kan ni thu zero lium amo ppm 5 is 40 so ppm 5 4 lakhs Let's say to the decimal fraction method in Portland take what get them method to also. Let's say method 1. Method 2 also 20% decrease means 20% GPM fraction also 1 by 5. Decrease means minus. Original GPM denominator 5. Original population 5 lakh unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Chun team ang umpana cho unit chun is represent 5 lakh unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh divided by 5 is 1 lakh unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Team ang umja cho 20% kim so that's 20% kim means 5 minus 1, 4. Denominator minus numerator. The 4 value GP term 1 value to multiply unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh 4. 4 unit 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh 4 lakh. To percentage are 0 thì pen we have lang. Zingle next topic pe ham बताओ तो तू ना देंगे बताओ तो ना doubts mom I'm going to बोल थी ते doubts mom any doubts नहीं थे सो ना okay तो तेले PDF not YouTube ma description ang कोई रहे तो ले मां बताओ तेले